Welcome to AI Frontiers, where we explore the most exciting developments in artificial intelligence research. Today, we're diving into computational linguistics frontiers, bridging human language and machine understanding. We'll examine a comprehensive synthesis of 107 groundbreaking papers from September 26, 2025, focusing on safety, efficiency, and real-world deployment challenges that are shaping the future of human-computer interaction. Picture this scenario. You're having a conversation with an AI assistant about planning a weekend trip, and mid-sentence you interrupt to ask about the weather forecast. This interruption test reveals a fundamental challenge in current AI systems. Seamless handling of such conversational switches requires sophisticated contextual understanding that goes beyond simple pattern matching. Today's research tackles this exact problem, transforming what once seemed like science fiction into computational reality through advanced linguistic modeling techniques. This comprehensive analysis examines 107 groundbreaking papers in computational linguistics, representing the cutting edge of artificial intelligence research. These studies span from emotion understanding systems to sound-based reasoning capabilities, while fundamentally questioning whether AI truly understands language or merely processes statistical patterns. The research we'll explore today provides blueprints for tomorrow's AI systems, revealing how machines might genuinely comprehend human communication rather than simply mimicking conversational responses. Computational linguistics serves as the critical bridge between two fundamentally different worlds of information processing. On one side, human language operates through messy, emotional, and culturally nuanced communication patterns that rely heavily on context, assumption, and shared understanding. On the other side, machine processing functions through precise, logical, and statistical operations that require explicit information and mathematical relationships. Computational linguistics researchers act as architects, building sophisticated bridges between these domains, creating systems that can translate not just between languages, but between entirely different ways of thinking and processing information. The safety and alignment revolution in AI research has produced remarkable breakthroughs, particularly in the work by Kashyap and colleagues who developed adaptive multi-branch steering technology. This approach addresses the fundamental challenge of balancing helpful, harmless, and honest objectives simultaneously in AI systems. The complexity resembles teaching ethics to a powerful but naive child who could influence millions of people simultaneously. Their innovative framework achieved a 32.4% improvement in alignment scores while maintaining consistency across multiple objectives, representing a significant advance in AI safety research. Recent efficiency breakthroughs challenge conventional assumptions about AI system design, revealing that bigger isn't always better. The relationship between model size and performance resembles the difference between a Formula One race car and a reliable family sedan. Both have their purposes, but most applications need practical reliability over raw power. The Extract Zero research demonstrates this principle beautifully, showing how a 7 billion parameter model can outperform systems with 70 billion parameters on specific document extraction tasks. This discovery democratizes AI technology, making advanced capabilities accessible to organizations without massive computational infrastructures. Multimodal integration research reveals fascinating challenges in teaching machines to process information like humans do. The voice assistant eval study uncovered surprising asymmetries in current AI capabilities, showing that systems excel at speech generation, but struggle significantly with audio comprehension. This mirrors human cognitive development patterns where production abilities sometimes outpace understanding skills. Consider how humans process movies by simultaneously understanding dialogue, reading visual cues, processing music and sound effects, then integrating everything into coherent narrative experiences. Current AI systems struggle with this holistic integration approach. 6 revolutionary discoveries are reshaping our understanding of AI capabilities and limitations. First, researchers found that supposedly uninformative training data, examples where all AI responses received identical evaluation scores, actually contains rich learning signals that dramatically improve performance. Second, the Verifear FC system reduces reasoning drift by 18.8% through multiple pathway generation and specialized verification. Third, chain-of-thought reasoning, celebrated in other domains, actually worsens performance in medical contexts across 86% of tested models. Finally, 91% of statistically novel text expressions aren't judged as genuinely creative by human experts, revealing the complexity of true creativity assessment. Our paper of the day, We Think, Therefore We Align, Large Language Models to Helpful, Harmless, and Honest, Before They Go Wrong by Kashyap and colleagues, tackles the most pressing challenge in contemporary AI, ensuring language models behave in ways that are simultaneously helpful, harmless, and honest. This HHH alignment problem becomes extraordinarily complex when these objectives sometimes conflict. Being completely honest might seem unhelpful, while being maximally helpful might require withholding certain truths. Previous approaches created inference fragmentation, where systems optimized for helpfulness produced advice contradicting their harmlessness guidelines, creating dangerous inconsistencies in AI behavior. The technical innovation behind adaptive multi-branch steering represents a sophisticated approach to multi-objective optimization. The system computes shared understanding of each situation once, then creates specialized branches that steer this understanding towards each objective while maintaining awareness of others. This approach resembles a skilled diplomat who understands complex international situations and crafts different messages for different audiences. Each message serves its specific purpose while remaining consistent with the overall situational understanding. Policy reference mechanisms guide each branch towards specific objectives while maintaining coherent decision-making across all alignment goals. The experimental results demonstrate transformative implications beyond mere technical metrics. On the DEEPSEEK-7B model, the system achieved 32.4% improvement in average alignment scores, while reducing unsafe outputs by 11% compared to naive multi-branch approaches. The consistency across different model architectures suggests these principles are general, rather than dependent on specific technical choices. This mirrors human integrated moral reasoning, where we don't maintain separate ethical systems for different situations, but develop unified frameworks applied consistently across contexts. The research has immediate implications for organizations deploying AI systems in healthcare, education, legal advice, and other consequential domains. Looking toward the future, computational linguistics research positions us at a moment comparable to the early days of the Internet. Tremendous potential is visible, but we're only beginning to understand the implications. Future developments point toward AI systems capable of truly natural, contextual conversations while maintaining safety and reliability guarantees. Advanced multimodal AI tutors will seamlessly combine text, audio, and visual information, adapting their teaching styles in real time based on facial expressions and vocal uncertainty. Transparent reasoning systems will show their work, acknowledge uncertainty, and identify problems beyond their capabilities, moving away from black box decision-making toward explainable AI collaboration. The field of computational linguistics is experiencing remarkable transition, characterized by movement towards sophisticated, nuanced AI systems that prioritize safety, efficiency, and cultural awareness over raw performance metrics. Rather than pursuing maximum capability alone, researchers are developing systems capable of handling real-world complexity while remaining transparent, reliable, and culturally sensitive. This research demonstrates that the future lies not in replacing human judgment, but in creating sophisticated tools that augment human decision-making, while maintaining clear boundaries regarding their capabilities and limitations. Your voice in shaping this technological evolution matters significantly. This comprehensive analysis was created using advanced AI synthesis techniques, combining GPT and Claude SONNET-4-202-50514 for content analysis and synthesis. Text-to-speech synthesis utilizes deep RAM technology for natural audio generation, while image generation employs OpenAI systems for visual content creation. The analysis underwent human expert review to ensure accuracy and comprehensiveness, though we acknowledge the potential for oversights in such extensive research synthesis. This collaborative approach between human expertise and AI capabilities demonstrates the kind of augmented intelligence that represents the future of research and knowledge synthesis. Thank you for joining us on AI Frontiers today. Subscribe to our channel for cutting-edge AI research synthesis that keeps you informed about the latest breakthroughs in computational linguistics and artificial intelligence. We encourage you to explore these papers yourself, engage with researchers on social media platforms, and share your thoughts about how these developments might impact your work and daily life. Help us shape AI technology that works for everyone. In this podcast, we bring you the latest breakthroughs in computer science and AI, straight from arXiv preprint server. From neural networks to quantum computing, we simplify complex research so you can stay ahead. Whether you're a developer, researcher, or tech enthusiast, AI Frontiers keeps you informed daily. Thanks for listening. If you enjoyed this episode, subscribe for daily updates. See you tomorrow with more cutting-edge AI insights. Disclaimer: this video uses arXiv preprint server.org content under its API terms of use. AI Frontiers is not affiliated with or endorsed by arXiv preprint server.org.